Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. A few weeks ago I drew Leonardo from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and I asked you guys in the comment section if I should draw the other Ninja Turtles as well, and you guys said yes, so here we are. In this video I'm drawing Michelangelo, so let's go.
DJ Mikey in the house!
Okay, let's draw Michelangelo. For this drawing I want to draw him in a dynamic pose with some foreshortening going on, as the illustration that I did of Leonardo was more static, and it's always nice to have some variation in your work, you know. So I drew him jumping in the air, slinging his nunchucks, and guys, let me know in the comment section which one of the turtles you would like me to draw next. The rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. Michelangelo, nicknamed Mike or Mikey, is a fictional superhero and one of the four main characters of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. He's usually depicted wearing an orange eye mask, and his signature weapons are dual nunchaku, though he has also been portrayed using other weapons such as a grappling hook. Michelangelo is the most naturally skilled of the four brothers, but prefers to have a good time rather than train. As the youngest of the group, he's shown to be rather immature and known for his wisecracks, love of skateboarding, witty optimism, and, like his brothers, love of pizza. He often coins most of their catchphrases such as cowabunga, and like all of the brothers, he is named after an Italian Renaissance artist. Now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is... Painting time! Here we go.
still figuring out the buttons.
Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys like my drawing of Michelangelo, and what Ninja Turtle should I draw next? Let me know in the comment section. And if you guys liked the video, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you want to help me in this channel even more, please share this content on all your social media platforms, it would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend, my friends. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!